became very desperate. Let's do a little. He's mad already. He's mad. He's Blue Jacket face mad. It's so much better.
Carolina Hurricanes, go! His 16th of the season, score by number 22, Logan Stankovic. Woo! Assistant by number 19, Keandre Miller. And number 71, Taylor Hall. And the in the first period, Hurricanes Stankovic from Miller and Hall, 2:27, first period.
Nice. Two for Stanky.
Go! His 17th of the season. His second tonight. Score by number 22. Logan Stankovic. Assistant by number 71. Taylor Hall. And by number 53. Jackson
Oh man.
His second on Hall and Blake, 8:52. First period.
Shorty. Oh boy. Woo! Oh man, this is all Canes right now. This is a short-handed goal. Yeah, short-handed.
Carolina Hurricanes, go! His 11th of the season, scored short-handed by number 21, Alexander Equation. Assistant by number 24, Seth Jarvis. And by number 20, Sebastian Aho. After the first period,
What a start. 3-0.
Short-handed from Jarvis.
Just like the Isles game, just pure domination early on.
First period.
Again. It's always the second period here is so slow. I seem like I always have a slow second period here. I don't know why. It's like something about the second period in this place is always slow. It's not bad, but it's just slow. I jinxed it. I jinxed it.
Get shut out.
Just get it over with. I'm not setting up.
You're shut out. How about it? Don't give us one. Have no return with it.
How do they get that one? Who's that guy? 5. Yeah, tough. Just like the Islanders, they get one back. Not over yet. Not over yet. Long way to go. Okay, it's 1 goal. Whatever. No big deal. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Ah, that sucks. Oh well. Did it back to them. It's only fair. They did it in our face. It's only fair. They just did it to us. He's so pissed, bro. Just sit down and watch the game. Just sit down. It's the same thing as the Islanders too. They traded goals. Devin Matejchuk. That's who number 5 is.
From Jenner and Wood. Carolina Hurricanes, go! His 12th of the season, scored by number 48, Jordan Martino. Assisted by number 11, Jordan Stahl. And 11:37 in the second period. Hurricanes Martino from Stahl, 11:37, second period.
Wow. Let's go, Kings! Power play goal. That was Carolina's beating it. Woo!
Carolina penalty.
Oh, come on, you stupid zebra!
Number 4, Shane Justice
In the middle of the announcement.
Sebastian Aho!
I have no idea. I guess we'll find out in a second. Zebra! Blueberry basket. Blueberry basket!